Adding a dash cam to your ride is easy with Type S, and with a frame rate of 60 frames per second, you won't miss anything. The TYPE S S403 is the world's first 60 frames per second recording dash cam. Universally compatible, this camera offers a high frame rate with 4K resolution. Other dash cams on the market are only 30 frames per second, but the TYPE S 60 frame per second dash camera allows you to capture more content at higher speeds. The wide viewing angle provides even more vehicle coverage as well. The small and sleek design of the S403 will complement any vehicle, and the 3M VHP tape will keep it in place through accidents or rough terrain. This dash camera is also compatible with the optional add-on rear camera, expanding your coverage front and rear.
So when it comes time to install your rear-facing camera, we recommend using the interior body lines to kind of hide your power line. If you want to take it a step further, you can also start removing some panels inside the car to get a better fit and finish, tucking away that cable, making it look nice and clean like we did here.
Like all Type S dash cameras, GPS, G-sensor, and motion sensors are included in the S403 dash cam. This provides reliable and easily retrievable data. If an impact is detected, the footage will automatically lock and save the video. When powered by the vehicle's battery, the dashcam offers park and record mode. You can record any impact event even when the vehicle is off. USB-C charging, expandable storage up to 256 gigs, and the Type S Drive app provide an effortless experience. Visit typesauto.com or Amazon to get your S403 high frame rate dashcam today.